Okay guys, I don't know what Christmas is, but Christmas Time Is Here by the Old 97s is just 4 sections, technically 3, but they do a weird thing on that third one at the end. And it's gonna be one simple measure and 9 chords. Let's break down the 9 chords right up front. It's gonna be G, A minor, C, B flat, or A sharp, A, D, B minor, E minor, and an F sharp. All right, so get those first. And then the rhythm is gonna be the common one that I always hear and know. Down, down, up, down, up. If I say one measure, that's what you're doing. Okay, you guys got it? Let's go and get into the first section. That is the first section, which is the intro. It has absolutely no rhythm at all. It's just all one strum each. Here it is, and in order. I'm not gonna count and all that stuff. You can do it to the track. So, and by the way, I've got a PDF tab for you down in the description. So we got a G. In the intro, we got an A minor, then a C, then A minor, then the C, then the G, then A minor, C, G, then A minor, then C, then your A sharp or B flat, and your A. And that is your intro, okay? Play it to the track, have some fun. Again, I got the tab for you. The verse, or the verses, are always the same. Here's what they all sound like. You ready? Okay, so let's break that down. Yes, you've got yourself some bar chords in there. So there's a D twice, B minor twice, D twice, B minor twice, and then it's all one measure each after that. E minor to A, one measure B minor, and back to A, E minor, back to A sharp, and then you go one down strum for that final chord, the A. Cool? That's your verse and all verses. Yeah, you've got 2 out of 3, 4-ish down. By the way, I got a really cool Easter egg for you on that last one. So here is the chorus. The chorus is going to be this. Ready? So you got yourself some B minors in there. You're gonna really pound those with down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then F sharp for a measure. Same exact attack on the G to the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Gs, and then a D. Down, down, up, down, up. Cool so far? Then you got yourself a B minor for one measure, F sharp for one measure, G for a half, A for a half, D for 2 measures. Alright, that's pretty much almost the whole song. So that last part is the final chorus / outro. It's really just the chorus, but just a little tweaked, okay? So I'm gonna play it all the way, let you hear it, and then we'll break it down. Alright, so it's really just the same stuff. So we start off with just one strum on a B minor, one strum on an F sharp, one strum on a G, and one strum on a D. So it's the same setup, it's just you're strumming it once, so it breaks it down a little bit, which creates this feeling like it's different, but it's not. The next section is pretty clever. It's I don't know what Christmas is, so B minor to F sharp, but Christmas time is here. You know this part, and it repeats that. I don't know. There you go. Christmas time is here. So it does a little reprise. And it just holds on that D. And here's a cool tip. Here's the little Easter egg. For that D, you can do this. on the D here. He's basically did this little half-step slide from here to here, and that gives it that cool kind of, you know, sound that you're hearing. Just a bonus, you don't have to do that, but that is definitely what I'm hearing in the track. That's it, you guys. Enjoy, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.